product is PCD, and I know this looks like a video game, but this is a digital meter actually, and pollution checking device. Pollution checking device is a device which can be mounted in any kind of motor vehicle, not only two-wheeler or four-wheeler, but any kind of vehicle which runs on fuel. And this is the first of its kind in the Indian market. No company has ever launched this kind of product in the market, and this product about a company. It is an Indian company. The main branch is in Hyderabad, and we have been working on this product for about 2 years. And this product is really a sensation in the market because there is no device to check the pollution which can be mounted in the vehicle. If we have to check about the pollution and all, we have to go to some other source for the pollution checkup. But through this device, we can check the pollution of the vehicle and we can rectify the problems. And even we have no worry about the oil change and everything. And this device warns us about the oil change and about the servicing and everything. And it took so much dedication and work to work out on this product. This device helps in checking the emission of carbon dioxide from the vehicle, and this device is totally waterproof and it is fireproof. This device is made totally of aluminium, and this is the cylinder which we have covering over the cylinder, and this can be mounted to the engine so that it becomes easy to connect to the cylinder. It is connected to the cylinder, and through the carbon dioxide emitted from this silencer, we can put a check on the level of pollution emitted from the vehicle. And this cylinder is connected to the digital meter through the help of this optic fiber wire, and the level of pollution is shown on this meter. And this is so sleek, and in the future product will be working on to release a product which is a meter which is much more smaller, and this company is protected under the copyrights of international copyrights, and this is the NCH is the trademark of, this is the logo, NCH is the logo and is the registered trademark of the NCH Electronics Private Limited. And about assembling of this product, we have a battery cover at the back of this meter. We have to insert two A++ batteries, and this digital meter works on A++ batteries, and as I already said, this cylinder can be mounted on the engine, and we have to connect through this wire and all that. It is clearly mentioned in there. And about this meter, this green bulb right here, this bulb indicates the on off. If the green light is on, this meter is on and it's working. And this red bulb here, it indicates that the bike should be taken for a service and the oil needs to be changed. And this red button here is the on off button. Well, these are the safety precautions about the batteries and all. As we already know about the batteries, how we should take care of them. We should only use batteries which the manufacturer of this product advises. And these are the safety precautions. We should be careful while disposing the batteries and all. Target customers. Well, there are no target customers, like no class confined. Every person who has a vehicle can use this product, and it is so reasonable. The price is so reasonable. This product comes for ₹500. Everyone can afford, not only rich people but everyone, even the middle class, lower middle class, everyone can afford. And this is useful for every motor vehicle, not only cars or two-wheelers, everyone. And this product is tested and approved by the government of Andhra Pradesh. And Thank you. This is about the product.
But get your roll number.
10175.
Come on, excuse me, judge. Maybe enough make off camera, man.